Good morning, everyone. So yesterday's video was on how to create a system restore point for your computers and why you should do them often. And hopefully you watched the video, and if you didn't, I'll see if I can put a link up there somehow to go back to that video, as this one will probably come out on like January 9th. Yeah, it was to basically tell you that Windows 10 does not do automatic restore points when software is installed. It's not by default turned on, so you should really turn them on and have your system restore points created often, like once a month. This way, if your computer crashes, you have a restore point you can go back to, or if you're not comfortable repairing your own computer, you can bring it to me and I have a restore point to work from. I did it for my virtual machine. My virtual machine only has one drive. I had a couple of people reach out to me and said, well, I've got multiple drives. Do I need to turn on system protection for all of them? The answer is no. You only need to turn on the system restore points for your primary C drive. All the other drives, as long as the system restore point is not turned on, any files that are saved or written to them, because they're not included in those files are safe. They're not touched. So this is why you want to, if you have multiple drives, turn off the system restore points for D, E, F, G, the rest of the alphabet. Leave the system restore point on for C, because that's your Windows operating system. And if I have to fix it, or if you have to fix it, it gives us a starting point. But all the rest of the drives you can turn off. And I'd make a quick little video to show that client how to turn off the alternative drives. And so that's what this video is about. So I loaded up a secondary drive on my virtual machine here. And if you remember, you can go into recovery, or you can go through it through the control panel, but recovery, we're going to go into configure system restore. And see, I've got it turned off because I turned it off at the moment. So let's turn this back on. And we're going to bump it up to 10%. It already is. And we can hit apply. And that's how you turn it off and on. Now, I was looking at this, and I did trigger, like I said, a secondary hard drive on here. It's just not showing up, and I think it's probably because it has to be formatted. Let me take a look and see if that's the case. We'll go into manage here. Unallocated. Okay, so let's make a quick little hard drive here. It's going to be drive E. Yep. Formatting done, and there's drive E. Now let's go back to the system restore point. See now how E is off. That's where it should be. But if it is on, you can click on it. You click on it so it's highlighted in blue. You click configure, and then you can disable it there, and that will not include that drive in the system restore point, which means all files that are saved on that drive are saved at that point. Now, if that hard drive goes bad, there's nothing I could do about it. I could try and do a data recovery. Sometimes I can do them, sometimes I can't. I have about an 80% success rate on data recoveries, depending upon when I get them and how long they've been dying. If the sooner I get it and the less you use it upon it starting to die, the better chance I have for data recovery. But yeah, on your alternative drives, anything but C, turn off that system protection, because you don't want to lose the files that are there. And like I said, as long as it's not tapped in, you can do that. So yeah, like I said, you just go in there and you click it so it's blue, you configure, you disable it, click OK, and it should show it's in an off state. So this is just a follow-up to that the system restore point. If you have multiple drives, the only drive that needs to be under system restore is the C drive, which is your primary drive for your operating system. And like I said, and that's really that in the event that the operating system gets corrupted, then I have a restore point to go back to. It still does not negate doing backups, because if a hard drive dies and you don't have a backup to it, I can't restore it from a system restore point, because if a hard drive dies, that system restore point is stored on that same hard drive, and if it's corrupted, dead, or the hard drive is just went kaput, I can't access the system restore point, and most of the time they get corrupted when a hard drive dies anyway. So again, turn off the system restore points for the other drives, but leave it turned on for C drive. And that's pretty much it. So if you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe. Got to get those numbers and view numbers up. If you don't have a YouTube or a Google account, you can go find us on Facebook. That's the address. Computer problems, give us a call. There's our phone number here. Make an appointment. You can come to us. We can come to you, if you're in our service area. And we can get you all taken care of and fixed up. So you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.